Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace your license plate lights. You got one on both sides, and we're going to go over how you would replace them if you need to. Start with, you can do this with the trunk down, or you could raise the trunk and be able to work on it. Depending, if you're raising the trunk, you may want to have a helper to hold the trunk in place so that it doesn't raise that fully for you to be able to get that out. So what you'll want to do is you'll get to we have the license plate lights on both sides, but you'll just want to take a screwdriver to be able to push in the little tab, and then you'll be able to pull down the whole light unit, and then you can twist this quarter turn to the left. You'll set that aside, and then this light bulb is just a pull out, and you would get a new one to put in. And this light bulb is a 168, so your license plate light bulb is just a 168, and that's what you would get to replace your light bulb. And then start that in there, and then just line this up. And turn that a quarter turn to the right to lock it in, and then just push the right side in first, and then be able to just snap that up into place. And so that's how you would replace your license plate light bulb on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.